In this video, I show you how to fix could not link device try again later problem on WhatsApp. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp. Now click on WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp if available any update version here. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp. Tap on force stop. Then OK. So tap on storage and cache. Clear cache. Click on permission. Allow all permission from here. Now open WhatsApp. Then click on three dot. Now click on link device. Click on link device. Now then click on OK. Now scan your code from your PC. Now I hope that this method fix could not link device try again problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.